Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to print with Peakboard. It is important to note that Peakboard always prints to the default printer. This must therefore have been set up in advance in the operating system of the device. The first thing you can do is create a group on your screen. To do this, we select all the elements that should belong to a group and select Group. You can make the group invisible. Double-click on a button to open the script editor. You now have two different options for printing. You can either print a screenshot of your entire screen. To do this, go to Publish to External Systems, and under Printer, Print Screenshot. If you want to create a print overview of a group, you can also print a group. To do this, go to Groups under Screen. Here you select the group you want to print and select the block, Print Screenshot. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.